Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are well. I hope you are doing amazing. Today's video is another natural hair tutorial. I'm hoping that I would be able to create as many hairstyles as possible and upload onto my channel so that you guys will always have a new look to rock whenever you need it. So this is a style that is perfect for when you are extremely busy and cannot style your hair the whole week. So this is a look that you can create and wear for at least one whole week. So I'm going to start off by sectioning the front part of my hair. Now you guys know that I'm not very particular about parting straight lines, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingers to part the sections. Then I would go to the other side and do the same. So we're starting off by creating two sections at the front, and then we're going to clip that away and start working on the rest of the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and secure the back of my hair just to keep it out of the way so I can be able to go ahead and style the front part. Now, if your hair is not as long as mine, then you can go ahead and use extensions. But if you have more hair than I do, then this is one of those styles that if you create, you should be able to wear for 1 week. Now, I'm not very keen on styles that involve a lot of braiding because I tend to have tangles, and detangling my hair takes a bit of time. So this is a style that I know that if I'm going to create, then I must make sure I wear for at least 1 week. So I am going ahead to detangle my hair. I am using a wide tooth comb to detangle, starting from the ends and then gently going up the strand all the way to my roots. So it's necessary to detangle your hair because we are going to be flat twisting the front parts of the hair. If you don't want the flat twist and prefer cornrows, then you can go ahead and do that. But I just find that cornrows tend to put too much strain on my hair, so I'm comfortable just doing the flat twist. So a flat twist is basically a twist that is made by adding more hair. That way, once you're done with the braid, it's flat on your head. So I'm just starting off with two sections at the front. I'm going to twist that and then add more hair and then twist. I hope I'm making sense, but that's just about it for the flat twist. So I'm going to go ahead and flat twist the whole section, and then I'm going to continue with a normal twist till the end of my hair, and I'm going to secure with a hairband. Now you guys, these hairbands are one of those accessories that you would need for every single hairstyle. So I always recommend that you should get them. They are very durable than the other type, the everyday type. I've had these for so many years, and to be honest, I don't think I've had one that's even broken. If maybe I ripped it by accident, fine, but I haven't had one that's actually ripped on its own. So it's one of those things that you guys can buy and then use to style your hair. So I'm going to go ahead and create the same flat twist on the side of my head. Now you guys, let me know if there's any particular style you want me to recreate, or if there's any parts of my natural hair process that you'd like me to make a video about. So I'm done with the flat twist. I'm going to go ahead and continue with the hairstyle. So now we are going to be working on the back. Now I'm going to add the flat twist to the rest of my hair, but I'm going to do it in such a way that the ends from my right side will end up on my left, and then the same for the other side. So I'm going to tack the left side and make sure that the ends appear on my right side. I'm crossing them at the back more or less. So this is me crossing the hair and then securing the rest of my hair into a bun. So I'm going to go ahead and secure the two ends underneath my pony. So using one of those small elastic bands, I'm going to join the two ends, which I have crisscrossed, underneath my pony, just to make sure it stays in place. So I'm done with that, and so I'm going to continue with the rest of my hair. Now you guys know that I always prefer to keep my ends protected, my ends secured. I just don't like the fact that my ends tend to rub on everything I wear, on every place I'm seated. And so I'm going to go ahead and braid my ends, and then I'm going to tuck it into the ends of the two braids. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I hope that you guys will understand what I'm saying from the video. So I've braided my ends, and then I'm going to tuck it into the ends of the two flat twists that I pinned underneath my pony. So this is how the hairstyle looks from the back. You can tell that my two flat twists are twisted over and underneath, and then I tagged my bun also underneath. Now this is the hairstyle that you guys can take not only to work, but to church, to a wedding, to any social function that you need to attend. I think that you can create this look and take. So this is only the first part. Sometimes I like to elevate it a little bit by using my scarf. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I tie the scarf. So I'm using a very small triangle scarf, and then I'm folding it over on itself so that it's a very tiny strip, more or less. And then I'm placing it underneath my bun. Then I would bring it up and cross, and bring it down again and tie it so that I'll have the two ends hanging below my bun. So what do you guys think of this hairstyle? I just love the fact that adding on the scarf maybe midweek makes it seem as though I have on a different hairstyle. So it's like you're just spicing it up a little bit, you know, creating the illusion that it's a new look. So that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.